Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from iLicey on Amazon. It comes in this cute little simple white box, and it comes with some eyelashes, a wig cap, and this cute little thing that says princess. And it looks like it's a book, but when you open it up, it's actually a mirror. So you see my setup. So that's pretty interesting. And this is the wig. This is their T-part lace front wig. The hair is water wave. This is 10 inches and it's black. It's about $44. And it's a 4x4x1 T-part. No, Alexa.
This might answer your question.
No, stop.
4 times 4 is 16.
No. It's a 4x4x1 lace front T-part wig, and it has 2 clips on the side, and in the back there's another clip with adjustable straps. So it does have a smell. It smells like products and bleach, kind of, but it feels fine. Snags at the ends a little bit. Feels pretty soft. Doesn't really look that bad. See that? So let me put it on and see what it looks like. So I just put the wig on and I cut the lace off, and it's a pretty snug fit. I didn't glue it down or anything, but it is pretty snug. This hair looks crazy on me right now. So I don't know why I'm combing it out, but I am. So let's just go with it. Yeah. Definitely it looks better without being combed out all over the place. But I think I'm gonna wet it and, you know, see how that goes. But this is what it's looking like. You saw me, I just combed it out a little. I got the water. I'm also just going to put some of this Maybelline Fit Me foundation on the part, just to make it look a little more natural. You could pluck the part if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. So that looks a little better. The hair is not really shedding that much as I'm going through it. Just getting a couple of strands, which isn't that bad considering I'm wetting it and, you know, running my fingers through it. I'm also just going to spray this Hawaiian Silky miracle worker on my hair. Well, I'll spray it in my hands first and rub it together and just put it throughout the hair and scrunch it up. This has helped me to define curls and help them keep their shape longer. So just gonna sprinkle a little of that in. Nothing crazy. So guys, the hair is a little bit more dry now and definitely looking better than before. It's also really easy to put on, and like I said, I haven't glued it down or did any edges or baby hairs, but you could if you wanted to. So let me just show you what it's looking like now. So the hair is definitely pretty even and it doesn't shed that much. And that's the part. Again, you can only do a middle part with it. But yeah, it is pretty cute, especially if you like shorter hair, which I prefer longer hair, but cute. You know, you can wear it on a nice hot summer day. It's not gonna be like all over your neck and your body. So pretty cute, pretty good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.